Hello everyone. Today I just want to show you one of my programs I've been working on. It's called Hello World, or I guess in this case it's Hello Worlds. But just here, I'm gonna show you just really basic program. Uh, Probably the one that most of you are familiar with. It's a star one. Using it's printing out Hello World, and right now I'm using Python. I'm on VS Code. So this is my environment that I'm using. And let's just show you how to do this. Right now we got print. It says hello world and an S and an exclamation point. And then we are going to hit the run button, see what happens. All right, as you can see, it prints out this very exact word up here, hello world. And yeah, that's the program. Again, very simple, start a program. It's a good way to get into it. And yeah, gonna make more of these in the future. So please let me know if there's any program I should try or to get into, and just let me know. I'll see you in the next video.